In this video, I will show you how to migrate website to Hostinger. So we have in here our Hostinger account. You can just head over right here to the websites option. Now from in there, you can just head over and then buy a hosting. So it can be a web hosting or cloud hosting. So just choose which one is for you. So they have in here some accounts or some plans that you want. Now from in there, just head over to the domain and then go right here to the domain portfolio. So for this one, just head over and click on this transfer domain and then put right here the domain that you want. And then just facilitate the transfer from in there. On some cases, if you're actually using an unsupported domain, you can't actually use it. However, if it's a domain, you can actually transfer it. But if you use something like .com like this one, you can click on this transfer right here in order to migrate that particular website into your Hostinger. So once the requirements is met, you can head over and then unlock this particular domain and then just buy a plan. So that's how you migrate website to Hostinger. Hope we help.